Hi everyone, hope you're okay today. So I decided to record this video before I just send the bracelet back, so you can just have comparison between two of them, and also just some more information about the sizing, so it will be much easier for you to buy it online. So okay, for now, it was like 3 years ago, I just bought this Kelly double tour bracelet, which is in size T2. I'm just gonna show you the size. So here, so the size is T2, and that's the wear and tear of the bracelet. I'm wearing it quite often, so I really like it. Okay, let's put it on. So as you can see, the size T2, it's like well fitted to my wrist, and it's very comfortable. Okay, so I decided to order the Kelly Twist, which is in here, like more summery color, and this time slightly different hardware, which is rose gold, in also size T2. And let's try it on. Let's try it on. Okay, we're just gonna take it off. So yeah, that's how you open it. Yeah, I'm just going to show you also inside. So that's T2. And in this case, look how much space is here. It's very loose. For some of you, it might not be a problem. Oh, the sun came out. So we can just see the color better. So for some of you, maybe it wouldn't be an issue, but for me, it's just slightly too loose. I just prefer the bracelet to have slightly more fitted. And over time, also the leather will gonna stretch slightly, so be aware of that. So if you already have like very loose fit, it might be even looser over time. Wait a second, I'm just gonna maybe try it both of them on my hand. And at the beginning the leather is slightly stiff, but over time it's really nice. So that's the comparison of both of them. I can't remember what was the color of this peak, but it's really nice. It's slightly different. So the price was $520. I think that the double tour is slightly cheaper. It's around 400 something. But yeah, this is how they looks like. Let me know if you like them or not. What do you think? If you like the color, personally, I think it's this bracelet in this color, and there is also green. I think it's really nice and very unique. The black bracelet also is really nice, and you know, it's gonna match. You can just match this bracelet to literally every single outfit you're gonna have. But the pink one is very unique, and definitely you're gonna get loads of compliments with this bracelet, especially if it's some kind of nice summer outfit, although it's not summer outside. So probably you have to go to some nice warm country instead of wearing it in UK, but actually whole Europe now the weather is very miserable, so yeah, but I really like it, and I think that I'm gonna buy it, but in the wider version, because there is like two sizes, two widths of this bracelet. So this is the slimmer one, and there's also more chunky one. So I really like the chunky one, and especially it's like 30 pounds only more expensive. It was this 520, so the wider one was 550 or 560, so there was like not big difference, and it's really like a statement piece, so yeah, I really like it. But unfortunately this has to come back to the shop, and I've seen it online, it's available, so you can buy it online. It's really easy to put on, you can do it by yourself, no issues, you don't need any help. So it's really beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks, bye.